In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of viral AI videos. So first of all, we need to go to novoads.ai. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, we need to click in the image section. Now we have to click in settings. And now here, where it says Nano Banana Pro, I prefer to use GPT Image 2. Here, I prefer to use the quality medium because it's much cheaper, and that way we can do 3 images for the price of 1 image with a high quality. Now here, where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now here, we have to erase this, and here, write our team. For example, Red Bull. Now in reference, we have to upload an image of ourselves. So let's click here, and now here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to click here, where it says use as a start frame. Now we have to go to settings, and here I prefer to use Clink 3.0. Now in duration, for this type of video, I prefer a short duration. So I'm going to use 8 seconds. Now here, where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks really realistic. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that in novoads.ai we have an offer that if you try it, we give you 10 credits for just $1. So for example, this video, as you can see here, if we go to video, settings, the cost was 4.2 credits. So you could do like 2 videos like this one. So I really recommend you to try it. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel the plan when you want. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.